Only administrators have access to this section. The accounting dashboard provides you with a list of all invoices. You can sort all data by invoice number, client, date of invoice, payment date and amount. Use the filter feature to adjust the invoices displayed in the list. You also can adjust the period displayed in the dashboard. To process an invoice, you can use different features. You can preview and print the invoice by clicking the magnifier icon. You can mark the invoice as paid once you have received the money by clicking the banknote icon. You can edit the invoice if required, for example, changing the invoice date or deleting the invoice. If you delete the invoice in the accounting section, the invoice will remain in the client section where it still can be edited. In this section, you can finalize the invoice before it is sent to your client. The data provided in this document is loaded from the client and staff section. All fields which are highlighted green when you roll your mouse over them can be edited. For example, you could write a customized salutation or closer. You can configure default texts for these in Preferences. You can also trim the details shown in the invoice by using the drop-down menu in the bar above. By selecting Project Only, the project date is shown. By selecting Component, the component level is also shown. By selecting Task, each task is shown, and by selecting Time, even the hours booked are shown. You can also change the language of the invoice. Once you have finalized the invoice, please click the Save button. You can now print the invoice. To avoid the URL being shown on the printout, adjust the settings in the print dialog of your browser.